Hey guys, Steve here. Hey, I'm always getting this question from people about the top channel size versus the screen door frame measurement. Now, most screen doors are ½ inch thick, and the economies are just slightly, like a 32nd, maybe no more than a 16th smaller than the heavy duty or the aluminum sliding screen doors, or even the Super Duper sliding screen door, the Super Duper heavy duty sliding screen door. That product, they're all the same. It's about a ½ inch, and they all fit in the 5/8 inch, top channel. Here's the thing. I'd like to at least show you the measurements, and then you can, make a judgment call for yourself. The industry is pretty standard when it comes to this. I haven't seen any sliding screen doors that are bigger than a ½ inch, because it's a very standard thing to have, specification to have on a sliding screen door. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna switch the camera around, and then I can show you the dimensions of both the easy slide heavy duty sliding screen door and the economy sliding screen door. Okay. Okay, so right here is the easy slide heavy duty sliding screen door, and if you can see from end to end, it's exactly 1/2 inch. Okay, and the frame measurement this way, it's actually from the back. You can't see it there. See from here, you can see here is 1.75 inches exactly. Okay, guys, right there. 1.75 inches. Okay, so if you look at the economy here, you have, it's just under a ½ inch, very slight difference. You could see it. Okay, it's not even like 7/16. It's more like oh, well, I can't do that in my head on 30 seconds. It's more like a 30-second less. Okay, and then the dimension on the economy this way is 1.5 inches. Okay, not 1.75 inches. So, okay, guys. So that is how the dimensions work on a sliding screen door. Okay, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And then make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We really appreciate it. And be sure to check us out at bestcustomscreens.com. And we've got a lot of cool products coming out. And just check it out, okay? Take care, God bless, and have a great day.